Hey guys, just wanted to make a short video about this little tool here. If you're a DIY person like me, you need a tool like this. You can pull out a multimeter, but not everyone knows how to use it, or they forget how to do it. Like me, I was actually trained to use a multimeter, but that was like 10 years ago. And I just forget, you know? So instead of having to go through YouTube and finding a video, I just pull this bad boy out and it quickly tells me what might be wrong with my outlet. I mean, we're too low on time nowadays, you know, we have kids, work, especially if you're getting into doing solar stuff like I am. I'm working on this power station here and I need to test the GFCI outlet to see if it works. So this will quickly tell me if it works or not. We want tools that will quickly tell us what's wrong with your equipment. And this is one of those tools, you know, you just pull this out and you don't need to put batteries in it. Just put it in the outlet and it'll give you a good idea of what's wrong with it. It's inexpensive too. It doesn't, like I said, it doesn't need batteries. You know, throw it back in your toolbox when you're done. It's that simple. It can at least help you communicate with an electrician so you don't get ripped off about what's really going on or what's really wrong with your outlet. So at least this tool gives you a decent idea of what it might be. Being DIY doesn't mean that you do everything yourself. DIY means knowing a bit about a lot of things so that you know where to get help or find information. So yeah, try to find other tools like this one that are simple and effective. First, let's see if it's wired correctly. We're gonna use the Fluke ST120. And we could see here 2 green lights, which means that it's at least wired correctly. Now we're gonna test the functionality of the GFCI to see if it resets. There you go. Very good. All right, so let's turn it off. Let's pull it out and reset it. Resets fine. Let's see if it works. It's back online. That's good. So yeah, keep it simple, keep it inexpensive, and keep doing it yourself. The only downside to this would be that you probably misplace it like I do, but that's just me. Yeah, so this specific model is the Fluke ST120 Socket Tester. Get it?